When jackets and tents rip, there's only one tape you'll want to use. Tenacious Tape is an ultra-strong repair tape, available in clear, nylon, and ripstop nylon. Just peel and stick to seal leaks, patch burn holes, and cover stains. It's easy to use. Just start with a clean and dry surface. Cut a patch to size. Peel off the backing, stick to the surface, and apply pressure. Color match the tape for barely noticeable repairs. Or have some fun and use shapes to personalize your gear. Unlike other tapes, heat is not required, and the patch won't peel back over time. You'll have a fully washable, weatherproof patch that stays put, rain or shine. Repairs have never been easier. Use Tenacious Tape on tents, tarps, and all your outdoor gear. Don't let rips and tears go unchecked.
Hi, I'm Allison from Big Agnes, and today I'm going to tell y'all about the Q-Core SLX pads. The Q-Core SLX pad is made up of tough yet lightweight double nylon ripstop fabric, which is backed up by aviation-grade TPU lamination technology, increasing tear strength and durability by 25%. These pads are constructed using redesigned offset minimalist I-beams, creating incredible multi-directional support and stability. The quilted top provides a cushioned, pillowy sleeping surface, and the larger outer tubes keep you cradled in the middle, as comfortable as your bed at home. High-quality insulation with built-in advanced heat-reflective technology give the Q-Core SLX a 3-season designation, which we recommend when using in temperatures reaching 15 degrees and up. The highly efficient valve has an inflation piece with a micro air pressure adjustment button, which controls the airflow by letting a lot in and not allowing it back out unless you want it to. The quick deflation valve lets out a huge amount of air all at once, so it's super fast to get rolled up, in your pack, and on your way when you break camp. Another plus, the antimicrobial treatment inside the pad prevents microorganism growth. At just 16 ounces for the regular 20 by 72 inch pad and the super compact rolled up size, the Q-Core SLX is lighter, tougher, easier to inflate, deflate, packs smaller, and sleeps warmer. When it comes to ultralight 3-season comfort, this pad stands alone. The Q-Core SLX ups the ante on quilted comfort in the backcountry while still maintaining a lightweight and compact design.
Even if you get lucky and find that perfect stick along the trail, chances are it'll split. The Kelty Strider hiking staff won't ever break your stride. Boom. This fixed-length staff is 60 inches and is topped with an extended textured EVA foam grip and a secure wrist strap. This modern hiking staff will be a great companion as you mosey across a mountainside. The Strider is made from durable aluminum and uses a shock cord and internal twist locks to quickly assemble or disassemble it. When assembling, simply slide each section together, then twist gently till you feel some resistance. When disassembled for transit, the Strider comes with a hook and loop strap to keep things tidy. And there's a protective cover for the non-slip carbide tip, so you don't have to worry about it poking your gear. Go on a walkabout with the Strider and bring back tall tales of adventure to your friends.